In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to embed a Facebook slider like this on your WordPress website. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Facebook Feed Pro plugin. There is a free version of the plugin available through the WordPress repository, but to create a Facebook slider, you will need the Pro version. To purchase Facebook Feed Pro, head over to smashballoon.com, and once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Facebook Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now inside your dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Then at the top, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Facebook Feed Pro, like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. There we go, Facebook Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. Before we can get started with creating our Facebook feed slider, we'll first have to activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Facebook Feed. Hover over it like this and click on Settings. And over here, beside License Key, we can paste the license key from your Smashballoon account and click Activate. Now you can see our license key has been fully activated. We can begin creating our Facebook feed. Once again, on the left-hand side under Facebook Feed, click on All Feeds. And to create our Facebook slider, click on Add New. And for the first step of creating a Facebook feed, we'll have to select a feed type. With the plugin, you can create a feed of posts from your Facebook timeline, a feed of photos from your Facebook page, a feed of videos from your Facebook page, albums from your Facebook page, and even display Facebook events. For this video, we're going to go with the timeline option. That's already selected for us, so we can click Next. Now we'll have to connect our Facebook account with Smashballoon. To do that, click on Add New, and on this screen, we can click on Connect to Facebook. This will take you into Facebook, and if you're already logged in, you can click on Edit Access, and on this screen, you can see all the Facebook pages and businesses associated with your Facebook account. You can find the Facebook page you want to display inside Smashballoon, and wherever that page or business is present, make sure to toggle it on the right-hand side. Once that's done, we can close this and click Continue. Once that's done, you can see all the Facebook pages you've connected with Smashballoon inside this window. Find and select the page you want to display inside your Facebook feed and select it like this, then click Add. Now the page will be available as a source for your feed. Select it as a source, then click Next. Then we'll have to select a theme for the design of our Facebook feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. Each one offers a unique design to help your Facebook feed stand out on your website. For this tutorial, let's stick with the default one, and that's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And finally, for the last step, selecting a template for the layout of our feed. You'll find options like the default, simple masonry, simple cards, and more below. For this video, I want to show you how we can create a Facebook slider. And for that, we'll need one of the carousel templates. We have the showcase carousel and the simple carousel. Let's continue with the simple carousel. Once that's selected, click Next. And instantly, you'll see a live preview of your brand new Facebook slider. Inside, you'll see the latest post from the Facebook page we connected, which is the Smashballoon Facebook page. And because this is a slider, you can swipe through the posts inside your feed by clicking on the buttons like this. Our slider is now ready to be embedded inside our WordPress webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside, you'll find options to modify the layout of your Facebook feed. Currently, you can see that we have the carousel layout selected, which allows us to swipe through the posts inside our feed like this. Alternatively, you have the masonry layout, which displays your posts in rows and columns. And above that, we have the list layout. This one displays your Facebook posts in a single column list. For this video, we're going to continue with the carousel layout. And if you scroll down, you can choose the number of posts you want to display inside your feed. As you can see, in desktop, we currently have 6 posts. But if you want to modify that, just enter the number of posts you want to display inside your carousel. We can type it in like this. For example, let's say 9 posts. Now our Facebook feed will update to display 9 posts. Underneath that, you'll also find some carousel-specific settings, such as customizing the height of the carousel. Currently, it's set to the tallest post. But if you open this up, you have 2 more options you can choose, such as set to the shortest post, button to expand, or automatically adjust the height. Select the option that best suits the look you want for your slider. And underneath that, you can also choose how many columns you want inside your feed. As you can see from the preview, we have 3 columns. But once again, to modify that, just enter the number of columns you want to display. For example, 2 columns. And instantly, that change will be made inside our preview. Now we have 2 columns instead of 3. I'm going to undo that and bring back the 3rd column. Next, you can also customize the navigation arrows on the left and right-hand sides. As you can see, currently it says display on sides of feed on hover, which means that when you hover over the buttons, they appear like this. Alternatively, you can hide the arrows, or you can move them below the feed on the sides of the pagination at the bottom. If you click that option, this is what it will look like. Now our buttons are on the left and right-hand sides of the pagination dots at the bottom. And if you want to hide the pagination dots, you can simply toggle it off here. I'm going to bring that back, and I'm also going to revert the navigation arrow style to that initial one here. And lastly, we can also enable autoplay, which once enabled, automatically slides through the posts inside your feed like this. For now, I'm going to disable autoplay, and if you're happy with the layout of your Facebook feed slider, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the elements inside your Facebook posts, under the Customize tab, go into Posts. Next, click on Edit Individual Elements. In this menu, you can see all the different elements inside each post, such as the post author, the post text, date, photos and videos, and more. All these elements can be displayed or hidden based on your preferences. For example, if I wanted to hide the post author, just deselect it like this. And you can see now that the post author has disappeared from the top of our Facebook posts. I'm going to bring that back. You can do the same thing with the photos and videos, date, the likes and shares at the bottom, and all the other elements as well. I'm going to bring those back. This way, you can customize your Facebook post to look exactly how you want to inside your Facebook feed slider. With these options, you can customize your Facebook slider to look exactly how you want. And if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. If you want to modify the header at the top of your Facebook feed, under the Customize tab, go into Header. Inside this menu, you'll find two different header styles. Currently, we have the text header style selected, which is a customizable text header that you can modify below. You can enter anything you want here, such as our latest posts. Alternatively, you can go with the visual header style, which includes your Facebook profile picture, page name, bio, and the cover photo for that page. For this video, I'm actually going to disable the header entirely. To do that, we can toggle it off at the top here, just like this. And now you'll see that the header has completely disappeared from our Facebook feed. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want control to moderate the posts inside your Facebook feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. Inside this menu, you'll find options to filter the content inside your Facebook feed. At the top, you can choose to display Facebook posts by page owner and visitors, or just visitors. I'm going to leave it on page owner. Then we can choose if we want to display all posts from our Facebook page, or only specific posts. You can also add words as filters, so that your Facebook feed only displays or hides posts containing those words. Lastly, you can also enter a specific date range, so that your Facebook slider only displays posts from that date range. With these filtering and moderation options, you have complete control over the content inside your Facebook feed. And if you've added any filters, click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your Facebook slider, let me show you how we can embed it on your WordPress webpage. To do that, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and then you have two options below. If you want to embed your Facebook slider on your WordPress webpage, you can click here. Alternatively, if you want to embed your Facebook slider into a widget, such as a sidebar or footer of your website, you can click on Add to a widget. For this tutorial, let's go with Add to a page. Next, you can select the page you want to add your feed to, then click Add. This will take you into your WordPress webpage. And to embed our Facebook slider, we have two different options. The first option is by using a shortcode block and pasting the shortcode we copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using Block Editor, you can use a dedicated Facebook feed block like this. Once that's embedded, we can select the Facebook feed from this drop-down list, and this is the one we created earlier. Select it, and you can see a quick preview of your Facebook feed inside your WordPress webpage. We can now click on Save and check out what it looks like on the live webpage. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new Facebook slider that we just created. The account we connected was a Smash Balloon Facebook page, and our slider is displaying the latest post from that page. Each post includes the page author, the page name, when that post was published, the profile picture, the text content for that post, and photos or videos if they're available. At the bottom, we also have the pagination dots. And because this is a slider, we can swipe through the posts inside our Facebook feed just like this. This helps boost engagement on your site by allowing your site visitors to interact with your posts like this. And at the bottom of each post inside your feed, you also have the likes, number of shares, number of comments, a button to view the post on Facebook, and a button to share that post as well. If we click on View on Facebook, that will take us directly to that post inside Facebook. This makes it really convenient to convert your site visitors into Facebook followers. And there you have it. That's how we can create a fast and responsive Facebook slider like this for your WordPress website with no coding needed. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.